In this video, we will share some tips and strategies to help you overcome test anxiety and perform your best in exams. Tip 1. Prepare in advance. One of the best ways to reduce test anxiety is to prepare in advance. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Organize your notes and review the material regularly. This will help you feel more confident and prepare when it comes time to take the test. Tip 2. Practice relaxation techniques. Another way to manage test anxiety is to practice relaxation techniques, deep breathing exercises, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation can all help calm your nerves and reduce stress. Take a few minutes before the test to practice these techniques and center yourself. Tip 3. Stay positive. Negative thoughts can fuel test anxiety. Try to stay positive and focus on your strengths, instead of worrying about what you don't know. Remind yourself of what you do know and how much you have prepared for the test. Tip 4. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool for managing anxiety. Imagine yourself doing well on the test. Feeling calm and confident, visualize yourself answering the questions correctly and getting a good grade. Tip 5. Seek help if needed. Finally, if you continue to struggle with test anxiety, don't hesitate to seek help. Talk to a teacher or counselor about your anxiety. They can offer additional strategies and support to help you manage your anxiety and perform your best on tests. So there you have it, some tips and strategies for dealing with test anxiety. Remember, test anxiety is common, but it doesn't have to control you. With the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome test anxiety and perform your best on exams. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.